Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today is August 30th, and I'm darn tired. I have just aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put on some lime here, an enhanced calcitic limestone product, and then I put on a wetting agent, which is good for about 45 days to break the tension in the soil and allow the water to get down uniformly to the root zone. And this client's name here is Eric, and this is his lawn. And then I top dressed with a soil amendment here. I'm in the neighborhood of Laurelhurst today, and Eric uses a Scott Silent push mower. It's a 5-bladed reel mower, and probably about a 1970s model here. And he likes to cut the lawn down fairly low. And I have just overseeded this grass. I used a 60% perennial ryegrass, 40% fescue grass. That was a mixture that I used, and a 60% slow release starter fertilizer. I'm running with a 2014 duration 90 technology for those landscapers out there. And the grass seed's extremely high quality. And just extremely high quality. It's what they use on a private golf course fairway. And I'm really lucky to get this seed this year. And I usually always get good seed, but this stuff is just exceptional. I'm getting fantastic results. I'm going to try to come back here in a couple of weeks' time and take a peek at this lawn again. Eric's going to be watering this thing every day here, and hopefully I can make it back in about 3 weeks' time or so. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company at lawntuneups.com. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in Laurelhurst. Today is September 24th, and this is a lawn that I'd worked on the very beginning of September, I believe. And I had aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. And I also put on some amendment, I believe, and some lime. And I'm very happy with the results here and how this came back. And I really like the color and the way it's filled in. And this is a regular client of mine. And he likes to have a nice lawn. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching company at lawntuneups.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.